This video is intended for general informational use only. For specific guidance on the use of any product shown, please consult the corresponding owner's manual and follow all provided instructions. This content is not a substitute for the official instructions or safety information outlined in the product's manual.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I am with Stay at Home Vehicle Modifications and Handy Van Rentals. I wanted to do a quick walk around of this Chrysler Voyager with a rear entry manual ramp modification from ATS. If you are a waiver customer, waiver wants to pay for a rear entry manual modification. So let me show you how this one works. Press my key fob because I have a power hatch. And now I have to unclick the ramp. Come on over here and listen. No rattle. I can guarantee your ramp is not going to rattle. I know how annoying that is. And that's because this ramp is held in place with these clips. You have one on each side. You unhook the ramp. Always use the handle. And if you can pick up a gallon of milk, that's how hard it is to operate the ramp. This is a long channel modification. We've modified the third row as well as the second row. We've installed this tub or channel, and this is for your wheelchair passenger. Your wheelchair passenger comes up the ramp and can sit either in the second row position or the third row position. You could even take two wheelchair passengers. In this vehicle, we have removed one of the second row seats, and that's to make it easier for families who are renting this vehicle, because this is in our rental fleet, to be able to connect tie downs or give the wheelchair passenger somewhere to put their bag. You can always put the second seat back in should you need that. I'm going to put the ramp back up. You can pick up a gallon of milk. That's how hard it is to operate the ramp. I'm going to put these goods back in place. That's going to guarantee no rattle. Listen, that ramp's not going anywhere. And now I'm going to close up the back hatch. And that's all there is to it. Please reach out to us if you are interested in renting a wheelchair accessible vehicle, or if you are looking for a wheelchair accessible vehicle for your own use. Again, I'm Jennifer Ross with Stay at Home Vehicle Modifications and Handy Van Rentals. Hope to see you soon.